Minista wote na UKINYILA Eliud OWALO NATARIRITIE kwibanganya kwa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza gutigira Nthuki Mbithi NIBAKWIWATIRA NGUGI UKURUKIRA MITANDAO akiaria OWALO augite baribanga gutigira Nthuki Mbithi milioni 2 NIBAKWIWATIRA NGUGI ndene ya miaka 2 ijite neti na mbere na gutariria kuma thirikari ya William Ruto iri gutonya wathanine nibombite kwa muritani Nthuki Mbithi 500 na tayari kubonera NGUGI 1,100 ria 10 KENDA.
Let me vet the ruling we have.
Waziri wa mitambo ya KIRI ya ICT Eliud OWALO liwaluga thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ili mibangoni ya gutigira mwana milioni 2 nibikona wera kire mitandao eno kire miaka 5 ijite kulingana OWALO kuma thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza itonyo obisini ni ombete gutigira mwana 500 nibikuthomithwa ume bagutumira mitandao amona gutigira mwana 1,119 nibikona wera bobo. Kulingana na waziri OWALO ministeri no arungamirite kwa makuwe kethiro kiambiria ngwataniro na ABUNGE kenda gutigira namba gutethira waki boitio ja uthomithania kire utumiri bwa mitandao ya kiriu.
When we embarked on this program, when we came into government, we have so far managed to train about 500,000 youth on digital skills and at the same time create a total of 119,000 digital jobs for the youths. And it is our estimation or proposition for that matter that based on the partnership that we are soon embarking on with the Parliament through members of the National Assembly on establishment and operationalization of village digital laboratories in each and every ward in this country, we are going to be able to create a minimum of 2 million jobs in this country for our youth within the next 2 years.
Waziri OWALO akiongera kuga thirikari niambirite miradi minene ta ajira na jitume kenda gutigira imwana nibikuthomithwa na nibikona wera kuma kimitandao na kiriu.
And we have clearly articulated to the committee that digital skilling is an integral component of our digital superhighway, and we have come up with the deliberate interventions through the Ajira program, through the Jitime program, and a massive public sector digital skilling program to ensure that we will have a critical mass of Kenyans having access to digital skills. We are starting with the youth for 2 purposes. One, we want our youth to be empowered by way of digital skilling, but ultimately, because of the unemployment situation in the country, we want to pursue digital jobs for the youth.
As a committee, tunahakikisha kuwa sisi kama kamati na yale mambo ambayo waziri amesema ni muhimu katika mambo ya teknolojia. Najua teknolojia ya kisasa imekuja na nimefurahi amesema wanajaribu kufanya e-commerce, wanajaribu ku-digitize and use technology to ensure that postal cooperation inaenda mbele.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Antoni, rangi wa Kadhinya.